Hey guys, it's Lauren Webb with the Keto Connection, and I'm about to show you the easiest egg casserole recipe. What I love about this recipe is that you can change it up using different meats and different veggies, and it's super easy to make. It doesn't take any time at all, and it doesn't require a ton of ingredients. So that is definitely a win in my book. I'm all about easy, simple recipes so that I can sustain this lifestyle. So go ahead and screenshot these ingredients right here. This is what you need. But like I said, you can change the meat to bacon or sausage or whatever you want to use, and then your veggies as well. You can add in spinach or broccoli. You could do cauliflower rice. Any keto-friendly vegetables you can use in this. So the other thing I love about this recipe is that it's great for meal prepping. Say you are a person who takes your lunch to work, or you like to make things ahead of time to make your week easier if you're a busy mom like me. I love this because you can cook it ahead of time, you can separate it into containers, and you are ready to go. So come join me over on Facebook, search for the Keto Connection. See you there.